Hey everyone, welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News for Monday night. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about the weather. Hope you had yourself a good weekend. It was a wild one. We had some interesting weather this weekend by all means. In fact, we'll go to our video and show you what happened Sunday morning in case you missed it. Living on the west side of town, it was snowing to beat the band pretty good. Even a couple of inches up in the Chena Ridge area. And you can see here that there was a lot of snow falling in big white flakes. That was just kind of a freaky situation. Some cold air passed over, got mixed up with that rain, and that's what happened. Okay, let's go to our photograph for today and show you what's going on as far as our submission for today. This one's sent in by Natalia Taylor. She was able to capture this field of wildflowers, beautiful colors, and even a little kitty cat there. And again, as always, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Your numbers look like this. Today's high was 45, last night's low 41, so not a real big contrast there. Record high 76 in 2014, but in 1987 it dropped down to 21. Your sunrise and sunset 13 hours and 11 minutes, a loss of 6 minutes from yesterday. Here's the frontal boundary that moved through today, bringing with it the rain. You can see it's clearing out rapidly behind it, so we should just see some very isolated shower activity later on this evening after most of this gets out of our neck of the woods. But for right now, it's taking its sweet time moving through. And then upstream behind that, not a whole lot to expected to come in. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, over southeast Alaska, they have cloudy skies for the most part. It is raining down around the Anchorage Bowl area. Kodiak, 60 degrees and partly cloudy skies. Elsewhere, we have up and down the west coast, a little shower activity over the southwest, then cloudy skies at Nome, 47 there. Barrow, just a little bit above freezing, cloudy skies, and Fort Yukon, cloudy and 43. Lower 48 weather, well, the hot temperatures are continuing over the western half of the country. 91 degrees in Denver, 80 in Salt Lake City. Finally, some rain over the Pacific Northwest, even around Los Angeles. They're getting rain shower activity, but still 97 degrees in Las Vegas, 98 at Phoenix, 90 degrees in Dallas, and just partly cloudy skies at Minneapolis. Over the eastern half of the country, temperatures have cooled down quite a bit from last week, and not in the 90s at least. 75 degrees in New York, 82 in Chicago, and 77 in Atlanta. On the satellite and radar, not a whole lot going on over the eastern side of the country. A few showers across the western sections and across the Pacific Northwest. The frontal boundary bringing much colder air expected, and that is going to be reflected tomorrow with onshore flow increasing, which means cooler temperatures. That will help the firefighters battling those fires, thank goodness. And over the overall jet stream, I should say, you can see a little bit of a dip taking place over on the middle of part of this week, and then dropping down and bringing the cooler air over a larger portion of the country than it was last week. Still hot over the southern sections. Well, it is time once again for our kids' weather, and this week we've got a new group of kids to talk with. These kids are from Arctic Light Elementary School, and here's a young man with a story to share with you.
When I was 5 years old, one big flood hit my hometown, Hidalgo, Texas. I was in school ready to go home, but then a big storm hit Hidalgo and McAllen. All of the streets and some of houses were full with water, and people were getting help by the police. It was a big disaster. The flood lasted 3 days. I was so scared. My family and I had to go to Dallas because it was so bad.
And Marco told me that everything worked out okay, so that's good news. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather and for their 50 years of service to the interior. Tomorrow night, a young lady will be here to share a picture with us. Here's your forecast for the Alaska area. First of all, the northern section, snow showers at Barrow, rain showers in Fort Yukon, and mostly sunny skies for Nome. Over the interior, we're looking at scattered showers to continue and rain and snow showers possibly for the Healy area. Over the southeast part of the state, looks like more rain moving in there, scattered rain showers for Juneau and Ketchikan. While out to the southwest, we're looking at rain showers at Cold Bay and Bethel, partly cloudy skies at Kodiak, and down around the Anchorage Bowl. Looks like rain will be in the forecast there too. Scattered showers for Anchorage and Homer, and just periods of rain for Valdez. On our forecast for the remainder of the night, we're calling for, once again, the scattered rain showers, 37 degrees for the overnight low. Also tomorrow's forecast, 46 degrees, continued cloudy with scattered rain showers. And the 5-day outlook. Looks like an off and on chance of showers through the week with temperatures cooling down once again. Only the 50-degree mark for the highs. Overnight lows will also be dropping down to around 36 degrees each night. But no more of that white stuff in the forecast, guys.
All right, thanks, Mike.